Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mommies and Kiddies. And today I have ordered a glass tray for my microwave oven. We recently broke it and was wondering where to buy, and surprisingly it was available on Amazon. In fact, there are a lot of sellers selling these trays for different brands, and this particular seller from where I got was selling for LG brand, and almost all the models were available. And my microwave oven is almost 12 to 15 years old, and yes, I did get the tray, so I have to check whether it fits my oven. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to order as well. So how do we order? I'm gonna leave the link in the description box of this particular seller. They usually deal with LG and Gold Star brands. So you'll get microwave, glass, turntable, whatever you call it, like a tray plate for LG and Gold Star. So I have got it. The price of it is 1140, and also you'll have a delivery charge of around 70 rupees. So you can see how nicely it was packed. So definitely they would charge 70 rupees because it's a fragile and a glass product. And it did take a week for me to get delivered. So right now it is showing 150 rupees delivery, but I paid just 70 rupees. And you can also ask quick questions to them in case they have that brand. Whereas according to their description, this product is available for all these model numbers. Okay, the model number, my microwave oven's model number was not mentioned here. So I just asked them a question, and they immediately replied in a day, telling that it is available, I can go ahead and order. And yes, it is fitting perfectly. So in the later part of the video I'm going to show the oven also. So if your particular model number is not available, you can always write to them, and it's always good to write to them before ordering, because it is not returnable, it is just replaceable. So make sure you check the model number before buying. Okay, so also there's good rating for it. After looking at the rating and customer feedbacks, I got it. So yes, as you can see, very good ratings, 5-star ratings, all that. Okay, so the tray plate actually exactly looks like the one which I had, and this is my microwave oven. So I'm gonna share the model number too. So as you can see, it fits perfectly in my oven. So in case you have dropped it, broken your glass tray, which is tends to happen, so you can happily order on Amazon. So for more such videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell button, like button, and also share the video among your friends and family. I'm sure it will be very helpful for them. So, and also hit the bell button just next to the subscribe button without fail, so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So thank you so much for your time for watching my video. So see you in my next video. So continue to watch the video until the end. So thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.